Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video from Deb. Today's video is a review of ELAN hair cream. You may be wondering what's that. I've never heard about it. Don't worry, that's why I'm making this video, for you to educate you and bring it to your notice about this ELAN hair cream. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I get started, let me tell you about how I came across this product of hair cream, or let me just say this brand, or let me be specific and let me just focus on the hair cream. So how did I come about ELAN hair cream? Now, I do make hair. I'm an hairstylist, and I was working on a client, and she had this virgin hair, and virgin hair was so soft. Like, I was like, oh my god, I've never seen this kind of virgin hair that is this soft. Like, and I know that was not like her hair wasn't that soft. So I asked, oh, what have you been doing to your hair? And then she told me, oh, what I mostly do is I just have this hair cream that I use on the hair. And I'm like, what hair cream can that be? And she told me it was this ELAN hair cream. I was like, okay. And by the time she told me, I'd actually never heard about this product. I've never heard anything about this product. So I was like, what kind of product is that? So she told me how it was the product that made her hair soft. So I was like, oh, okay, send me picture. I would try to see if I could buy and then just work with the product. But she did send it to me, and I still wasn't gingered to go and buy it because I searched online. I couldn't find any review or anything. I had not had people talking about this product, so I was a bit skeptical about going to buy this cream. Then I had my auntie come over, and my auntie also told me about this cream, and now she was like, oh, there is a cream, and there's a cream now that virgin hair people use. It makes your virgin hair very soft and all that. So I was like, oh, okay, what's the cream and all? And she has it on her phone. She's going to send me the picture. She sends me the picture, and it's the same picture as what my client has sent to me. It was this ELAN hair cream. I was like, oh my god, this is the second person now talking about this cream. And my auntie had told me how she had used it in her hair, and I could see the work it had done on her hair, how it was what like people in our area were using. So she told me, oh, I could get on it. I was like, okay, all right, so it's time for me to go purchase this product. So I was like, okay, even if I had not seen review, why not let me go and purchase it? I've heard people close around me that have told me about the work of this product. Let me buy it. So I went to the market, I went to purchase it, and I bought it, and I said, okay, I brought it home. I said, like, oh, okay, ELAN hair cream, enriched with shea butter. When I saw the shea butter, I'm not really a fan of shea butter in my head, but when I got the cream and I opened it all, and you really not even perceive the shea butter, and it's so nice, and also I was like, okay, I can deal with this. Let's see how it is. And guys, I put this cream to work, and drum roll, dun. It is amazing. It does the work. Now, when you buy the cream and you open it up, this is how the inside look like. It's all white. So in your mind, you're wondering what kind of hair cream is this white. It's white. The smell is also nice. The body says enriched with shea butter, but trust me, you actually never perceive it. If you're not someone that likes shea butter, you actually not perceive it. So it has a very amazing smell also. When I even just saw it, I was like, this is so cute. The packaging was also nice, and it was just amazing. So I was like, it kind of looked like like air condition, like all this air conditioner consistency. And I was like, okay, this is gonna be amazing, because if it has this feel of air conditioner, that means, of course, they must have used a whole lot of products that leave-in conditioner do use, and or just to make your hair soft. And I'm like, okay, this is amazing. But yeah, this was what it was when I purchased the products. Then I haven't started using it, so I told myself I was going to give myself 2 weeks trial. I was going to test the product for 2 weeks and see how it goes, because I didn't want to come and be doing review of I just used it for. So I decided to try it for 2 weeks and see how it goes. And why I decided to try it also for 2 weeks was because at that moment my hair was, I think I was 4 months post relaxer, and also I already had a lot of new growths, and I was planning to do my retouch, but I was like, okay, let me just use this also so I can see the work. And and then when I see the work, or if it doesn't work, I'm like, oh, okay, let me relax. And if it works, I'm like, oh, okay, I can still relax it, and I'll just know my relaxing would then take minimum input and all. So I did put this hair cream into test. Like I said, I put it to test for 2 weeks. So my hair was already 4 months post relaxer at this point. So I already had a lot of new growth, and so I like, okay, this would be a very nice time to just try the hair. And then my hair was in cornrows for that period, so it was also a very nice way for me to incorporate it into my hair. I just used it as a moisturizer, and I always use it to moisturize my hair. I did it for like, I knew I wasn't consistent like doing it every day, but I knew I did more than 3 times in a week. And yeah, the result after 2 weeks, when I loosened my cornrow and I was ready to start relax my hair, I loosened my cornrow after 2 weeks after I'd moisturized. And guys, this is how my hair is. Like, this was how my hair was looking. Like, it was soft. I was, at the moment, I was tempted not to retouch again. Do you guys get me? Like, seeing your new growth that is not, like I said, 4 months post relaxer, guys. So you expect that the new growth is really tough to manipulate. Your hand can't even go in, you're going through your hair or section your hair or even comb. But guys, see how I was using my hand, drawing it, using my hand to pat it and all. That was how soft the cream had made my new growth. Like, it was so easy to manipulate. I could just use my hand to comb it and detangle my hair as easy as possible, guys. Guys, no jokes, this product is a good one, because my hair is a stubborn hair, and for me doing a 4 months 4 month stretch of relaxing and seeing how this works for my hair, hey God, this is amazing. Like, I'm hooked to this product at this moment, and I have been sharing the good news about this product for anyone that wants to transition, or you have natural hair and it's so hard. Use this product. Like, you will be glad you use it. You'll come back and thank me. Like, see how I'm able to manipulate it. I was even able to use my comb to comb it, and it wasn't giving me too much stress. Like, do you know what that is? 4 months post relaxer and not too much stress like this. It's the bomb. This is the new thing. Nobody's talking about it. No, I don't think, I've not seen any review of this product on YouTube. In fact, I only saw the ELAN their shampoo product. What was the only review I saw? But I didn't see anybody doing review about this hair cream. So I'm like, what's going on? Is it that people are not aware about this product or what? But that's why I'm bringing it to you. Go and try it for yourself. Try it, make your review also, or once you try it and you see the result, message me, come back and comment and tell me what this cream has done to your hair and how, if it did the job. Because trust me, it did the job for me. I've also been recommending it for friends that have been trying to transition or trying to maintain their natural hair, because I'm like, this is your plug. This is what's going to help you, people that are doing natural something, or even for we that we are relaxed hair, and you stretch your relaxer just like I do. This is what will help you also, because stretching relaxer can be really painful. Your new growth and all, that's like your natural hair. You have to start maintaining it. But these products will help you. These products will make the whole process very easy for you to be able to manage. So you really want to hook up on this product. And the product says ELAN hair cream enriched with shea butter. Now, if you check the benefits, it says it moisturizes, it nourishes and strengthens weak damaged hair from roots to tip. Yes, it does that. It gives easy management, softness, sheen, body and bounce to hair. It really does that. You have seen it. It does that. It says it restores hair moisture balance, smoothens hair shaft, and allow easy tangle-free combing. You guys saw when I was just combing my hair, so you already know what that is. It allows for easy combing, guys. It does. About the ingredient of this product, the ingredient says deioded water, and once you see water as the first ingredient of an hair product, you know that product is about to be good, because they are looking out for you. Then we have paraffin oil, we have petroleum jelly. Guys, when I first bought it and I checked the ingredient, I saw petroleum jelly. I was like, you guys are joking with me, right? This is beautiful. This is amazing. We had the petroleum jelly, we had shea butter, glycerin. Check it out. And guys, this was amazing. I give it to them. Like, and do you know another beautiful thing is that this product is a Nigerian product. I'm like, we are getting it. We are definitely getting it here in Nigeria. It's a Nigerian product done by Brown Oak Trade Ltd. It's manufactured by NN Industrial Ltd. It's done in Ogba Ikeja here in Lagos. Are you joking with me? These products, you want to hook up on it. Like, this is not even a sponsor video. This is just me reviewing this product because of how amazing it is, and I want to hook you up also in it. Also to note, I got this product for 450 naira. 450 naira. And yeah, some people, you know, might sell it at the rate of 500 and all, you know, the Nigerian market as it is. But guys, you get it between the range of 400 to 500. That's how much you will get this product. So you even see that it's not an expensive product, and it's just like, it's just beautiful. It's just, this product is really beautiful. Like, I stand them, like, I really stand this Nigerian brand. I'm so proud of this. Like, this is so amazing. And yeah, guys, you know, I showed you this was what it looked like when I bought it, like the inside. And yeah, I got to show you a clip of how the inside looked like after 2 weeks of using it. So don't expect it to be fancy, because, you know, my hand, I'd used my hand to, you know, scoop it out just so I can use it on my hair. So don't expect 2 weeks inside of the cream to be fancy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a clip of what it was after 2 weeks that I used it. I still have this product, and trust me, I'm still using it. I'm going to be making a video of how I moisturize my hair using this product and other products also. So please, you know, check back, you know, check my channel. Video should be coming after this video. I'll be dropping tips and all that you can make use of. That's the end of today's video, guys. Tell me in the comment section, do you enjoy this review? What do you think about this product? Have you heard about this product? Have you used it? Are you willing to try it? What do you think about this Nigerian brand? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me and engage me right there. Also remember to like this video so that others, that it can help boost others finding this video so they can know about this brand. And yeah, remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so very much for watching. To my next video, stay blessed.